iZenda reports can be automated to be sent via email or to a file location local to the disk of the iZenda API deployment. This can be done through a scheduling interface found in a few different places on the platform. Here in the Report Designer, we'll cover this functionality in depth and describe the features of the iZenda scheduling module. The Schedule tab shows any existing schedules on an existing report. In this case, we've been working through the Report Designer and have now arrived at the Schedule tab, so there is no existing schedules. To add a new schedule, select the Add Schedule button to bring up the Schedule UI. This interface is the same regardless of where a schedule or subscription is created. It consists of two tabs, Schedule and Delivery, that encompasses all a designer needs to generate an automated instance of the report to be sent on the desired frequency. By default, there are only two empty fields that need to be populated prior to moving the Delivery tab, Instance Name and Start Time. So we'll go ahead and set this name and the time in which we want our schedule to be sent first and on any subsequent iterations of our schedule. Scheduling type has two options, Reporting Item and Alert. Reporting Item runs on a reoccurring schedule that can be set with the various drop-down options below, regardless of the report's content. The Alert option changes the reoccurrence option to a frequency in which iZenda will try to run the report based on the parameters set in the Delivery tab. For alerts, if the report is not populated with data at runtime, it will not send. Note that the Custom Reoccurrence option has the option to choose when the scheduled instance will stop sending the report. Once everything is set, we can move to the Delivery tab. Here, we can choose the two delivery type options, email, which is the default, and file location, which is local to the disk of your iZenda API. The delivery method dropdown includes link, which will send a link to the actual report in the browser and is most secure, attachment, which provides a dropdown for the desired attachment type, and embedded HTML, which puts the report body in the email that is sent. Depending on permissions, the recipients box can either be directly filled with email addresses or interacted with via the plus button interface. This gives the designer the ability to select from a list of users in the system they're approved to share the report with. There are boxes to configure the look and feel of the email and subject line. Finally, there is an option to interact with the filters on the report to make the scheduled instance custom to the designer's needs apart from the filters and filters section on the report definition. Reminder, this is how you configure the values for iZenda to try to run the report in case of this being a scheduled alert. Multiple schedules can be set on each report with different recipients, filters, and metadata elements that can be displayed on this tab after saving the scheduled report. For more tutorials on iZenda functionality and additional information on the platform, please watch our additional videos or visit our website to learn more.